Let's uncover the secrets that people don't talk about. We're going to dive deep into the number one wealth killer that nobody talks about, which is purchasing and owning a car. We all know that cars are a necessity for most of us. But what if I told you that buying a car is eating up an average American budget and leaving many people in debt? So, in this video, we will uncover the 5 reasons why cars are the number one wealth killer and how you can reduce the cost it incurs to your budget. Reason number 1. Depreciation. The first reason why cars are the number one wealth killer is because of depreciation. Depreciation is the decrease in value of a car over time. According to Edmunds, the average new car loses 23.5% of its value in the first year of ownership. This means that if you buy a new car for $30,000, it will be worth around $22,950 after 1 year. This decrease in value is a significant loss for car owners, and it's even worse for those who choose to finance their car. If you finance your car, you will be paying interest on a loan for a car that is losing value each day. This can lead to negative equity, where you owe more on your car than it's worth. Reason number 2. High interest rates. The second reason why cars are the number one wealth killer is because of high interest rates. Many people choose to finance their cars, and the interest rates can be quite high. According to Experian, the average interest rate for a new car loan is 4.21%, and the average interest rate for a used car loan is 8.82%. This means that if you finance a car for $30,000 over 5 years at 4.21% interest, you will end up paying $3,600 in interest alone. If you finance a used car for $15,000 over 5 years at 8.82% interest, you will end up paying $4,434 in interest alone. Reason number 3. Insurance costs. The third reason why cars are the number one wealth killer is because of insurance costs. Car insurance can be quite expensive, especially for new drivers and those who live in urban areas. According to Value Penguin, the average cost of car insurance in the United States is $1,758 per year. This cost can vary depending on factors such as your age, gender, location, and driving record. However, it's important to shop around for insurance to make sure you're getting the best rate possible. Reason number 4. Maintenance costs. The fourth reason why cars are the number one wealth killer is because of maintenance costs. Cars require regular maintenance to keep them running properly, and these costs can add up quickly. According to AAA, the average cost of car maintenance and repairs is $8,849 per year. This cost includes things like oil changes, tire replacements, and brake repairs. However, if you take care of your car properly and do regular maintenance, you can reduce the cost of repairs and prolong the life of your car. Reason number 5. Fuel costs. The fifth reason why cars are the number one wealth killer is because of fuel costs. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, the average price of regular gasoline in the United States was $3.13 per gallon in March 2021. If you drive a car with poor fuel efficiency, you will be spending more money on gas each month. However, if you choose a car with good fuel efficiency, you can save money on gas and reduce your carbon footprint. Now that we've covered the 5 reasons why cars are the number one wealth killer, let's talk about some ways you can reduce the cost of car ownership. Tip number 1. Buy used. The first suggestion is to buy a used car instead of a new one. As we mentioned earlier, new cars lose value quickly, so buying a used car can help you save money on depreciation. Used cars are also typically less expensive to insure and have lower registration fees. Tip number 2. Pay cash. The second suggestion is to pay cash for your car instead of financing it. Financing a car can lead to high interest rates and negative equity, so paying cash can help you avoid these costs. You can also ask about discounts for things like safe driving or multiple cars insured with the same provider. Tip number 4. DIY maintenance. The fourth suggestion is to do some of your own car maintenance instead of taking it to a mechanic. Simple tasks like changing your oil or replacing your air filter can be done at home with basic tools and can save you money on labor costs. There are also many online resources available to help you learn how to do these tasks yourself. Tip number 5. Consider alternative transportation. The fifth suggestion is to consider alternative transportation options. Depending on where you live and your lifestyle, it may be possible to reduce your reliance on a car. You could try carpooling with coworkers, taking public transportation, or biking or walking for short trips. These options can not only save you money but also help reduce your carbon footprint. So there you have it, the 5 reasons why cars are the #1 wealth killer and 5 suggestions to help you reduce the cost of car ownership. We hope you found this information helpful, and if you have any other suggestions or tips, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.